In this quick video, I will show you how to buy Bone Shiba on Trust Wallet step by step. So the first step is to go to app.uniswap.org and click Connect Wallet, click Browser Wallet, and as you can see, I have connected my Trust Wallet here, and then choose what token you're going to use. So for example, let's choose USDT, and then select a token here, type down Bone Shiba, and click here, and you can now type the amount of USDT you want. For example, I want to swap 10 USDT, and you can see here the Bone Shiba that you will receive. But as you can see, I have insufficient USDT balance, so I will not be able to show you how to swap your USDT to Bone Shiba. But after you type the amount of USDT you want, just click here, and then a confirmation from Trust Wallet will pop up, and you will gonna need to pay for the gas fee. So make sure that you leave enough Ethereum in your Trust Wallet. And if you have any questions about how to buy Bone Shiba in Trust Wallet, leave a comment below.